Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Jace and I'm your host in this video. So today's video I'm gonna show you a regular Google Ads account which is contains $10,000 threshold, and it's really doing pretty good. So as you can see this account, so I'm selecting the date from here is 1 today, from the January 1 to today's date is February 13. So I'm gonna hit the apply button and let's see what happened. So as you can see here, this account is doing pretty good, and here is a it's almost receiving 4,000 clicks and 55,000 impression with average. It's a good CPC. I think is $1.9 dollars per click is pretty much good, and it's also spending $8,750. So I think it's really good. One thing is that this account is doing from January to 13 of the February, which is 45 days, and this CPC is really looks some good. And if you see the graphs here is really up and down, and it's really showing the individual of spending here and so on. So if I want to show you a campaign here, this account campaign, so let me show you the campaign here, and as you can see the campaign is also doing pretty good, and the graph is really well, and also the same things as you can see here, and also it's spending for $7,500 sorry $75 for this current campaign, I mean the Crystal US, and the overall budget is $275, which is pretty much impressive, I think. So now I'm going to show you the billing section of this account, because billing section, if I want to show you the billing section, so let's go the billing section here, and I'm going to show you the summary here. So if I want to show you the summary here, and as you can see the summary, and this is really pretty impressive here, and yes, you can see here is the same thing, $8,750 already spent here, and the budget amount is $10,000 is the budget amount, and the graph, as you can see, the graph is almost spent 83% of the current budget, and it's also showing you the $10,000 of the main current threshold here. So as you can see, and if you look at the existing amount of this account is almost $1,200 as exists to spend. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, subscribe my channel, and also if you have any question, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.